Remove na yung tooth ni Yana, guys!
I'm okay now.
What? Sabi mag-video tayo. Ay, no. Read ka lang ng book. Read loud. No, hindi yan. Okay? Okay? Just read the book. I'm just gonna like, try lang natin. Pagka masakit pa, hindi natin tuloy, okay? Pero it's like super wiggly na eh. Harap ka muna kay mom. Sumay ka mag-remove.
No, I'm not
Sige, read
ready.
ka lang, read ka lang. Dati ko ha tissue sa kabilang. We're gonna remove Yana's wiggly tooth. Just gonna read a book. Di ba, lab? They will give you ice cream later daw. Okay?
Ice cream?
Wow!
I'm okay now.
Yeah, you're okay.
Oh, this was so good.
Hindi. Yeah, I know it's scary, but I know you can do it, okay? Okay? Look,
Huh?
wala na.
Wala na? Asan na?
Nalaglag yung tooth niya. Hanapin niyo. Remove na yung tooth ni Yana, guys! You wanna see?
Normal.
Asan na yung tooth? Let's find the tooth! Operation Finding the Tooth!
Daddy naman
Nalaglag yung tooth ni Yana. Yan, natanggal na yung tooth ni Yang Yang. Ang liit! Ang liit! Ano, ang liit ng ngipin.
Ice cream lang parang tumigil mo na.
I'm glad.
Ang liit. Remove na yung tooth ni Yang Yang. First ever tooth niya na na-remove. Tingin nga na bungal. Yee!